In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking to declutter your home or start a small business, Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform to connect with potential buyers in your local area. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to take to get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook. Open your web browser and go to Facebook's website or open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have a Facebook account, you'll need to create one, which is a straightforward process involving providing some personal details like your name, email, and a password. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper menu on your Facebook homepage. Here, you'll find an option labeled Marketplace. Click on this option and you'll be taken to the Facebook Marketplace section. This is your hub for buying and selling items within your community, and you'll find it bustling with activity from other users. Now you've reached the marketplace, and it's time to create your first listing. Look for the Create New Listing button and click on it. This will initiate the process of setting up your item for sale. You'll be prompted to choose the type of listing you want to create. Options usually include items for sale, vehicles for sale, and rental properties. Select the one that best fits what you're selling. For most casual sellers, items for sale is the appropriate choice. Next, you'll be asked to provide details about your item. This includes uploading clear, well-lit photos of the item. Good photos can make a significant difference in attracting buyers, so take multiple pictures from different angles to showcase your item fully. You'll also need to write a detailed description. Be honest and thorough in your description, including any relevant details such as size, color, and condition. This transparency helps build trust with potential buyers. You'll also set a price for your item. Do some research on similar items in the marketplace to ensure your price is competitive yet fair. You can choose to set a fixed price or mark it as negotiable if you're open to offers. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and reviewed your listing to ensure everything looks good, you're ready to publish it. Click on the Publish button and your listing will go live on Facebook Marketplace. From here, interested buyers can message you directly through Facebook Messenger to negotiate or ask questions. And there you have it, a simple way to sell your items on Facebook Marketplace. Keep an eye out for messages from potential buyers and be prompt in your responses to secure a sale. Happy selling, and I hope you find success in your marketplace endeavors.